Hello LD8s, welcome to this outreach session of LD8 75. I am Dr. Rajul Gajjar, Principal of LD College of Engineering. Let us start with the vision of LD College of Engineering. We aim to contribute to sustainable development through excellence in technical education and research by transforming our students into responsible citizens and competent professionals. LD started in 1948 with 3 undergraduate courses. Today, we offer 14 undergraduate and 17 postgraduate courses with enough faculty of professors, associate professors, and assistant professors. LD has undergone many cycles of accreditation through the National Board of Accreditation, which caters to the criteria of the Washington Accord. And very recently, 5 of our undergraduate programs of civil, mechanical, electrical, instrumentation control, and chemical have also been accredited. Awarded the Best Engineering Institute with a 5-star rating. We offer courses in almost all the domains of engineering, may it be automobile, civil, chemical, computer, IT, mechanical, textile, you name it. A large green and sustainable campus of 59 acres with 12 academic blocks, 8 hostel blocks, cricket grounds, and sports facilities. We are very well linked to government departments, industries, and research organizations such as ATIRA, PRL, ISRO in our vicinity. Very good placements with multinationals coming to campus. About 620 companies have visited, and we have also been awarded for our placement activities. Academic excellence has always been the forte of LD since its inception. We are reorienting towards our research initiatives with 90 students undergoing PhD under our supervisors, 752 master students, and a total of 5,800 students on campus. According to AICTE, the student faculty ratio is to be maintained is to 1:25. We are well within it with 268 faculty, and the ratio is 1:24. Some very good centers of excellence on campus with industries. The Siemens Center of Excellence in Aerospace and Defense, and the Keepsake Welding and Research and Skill Development Center with our own alumni. Some beautiful club culture by the students running proliferately on campus. The RM Innovation Cell is the pre-incubator which helps our innovators, the Prakalpa Astronomers Club with ISRO, and we have the automotive and the heating refrigeration, the chemical, NCC, and many more clubs on campus working towards the graduate attributes. Shout outs, awarded as the Best Engineering Institution for Innovation at the recent GTU Convocation, 15 gold medals. Our research orientation and the ecosystem is proliferate. Out of the 69 patents filed, 5 have already been granted. About 147 startup innovation projects ongoing, out of which 5 startups have already registered with the industries department and functioning from the campus. A total fund of 1.2 crores for our innovation projects granted by the government. Shout outs, the Best Engineering College by IST, also the Best Engineering College Award for Innovation. Our teams are doing very well nationally and internationally. Team Robocon was the national champion and also represented India at Mongolia. Our social service through NSS has bagged 6 consecutive national awards. The Best Engineering Institute Library with e-books and e-journals across the campus. The government of Gujarat has given us the first position in engineering institutions and the only one with a 5-star rating. India Today has ranked us as 28th amongst the top 100 colleges. Times Education Ranking has ranked us at 12th, and AICTE has also given us the EduFuture Excellence Award for our industry academia interface. Ongoing projects, new buildings coming up in computer, IT, chemical, rubber, and plastic, renovation of our academic blocks and library. Our focus on sustainability is continuous with rainwater harvesting, sewer treatment, solid waste management, solar PV plant components coming up on campus. The road ahead, we need to constantly upgrade our laboratories to maintain our academic excellence. We need to look at the emerging technologies with advanced labs in AI, ML, blockchain, IoT, robotics, electrical vehicles. Infrastructure development has been planned and we need to keep on coming up with new academic blocks. Landscaping is the need of the hour. And of course, our industry and alumni outreach is also to be taken up. LE is entering its 75th year very soon, and therefore we need to reinvent LE into a new avatar. We need to outreach, and this is also the reason why we have put up a portal for our alumni outreach. Please connect us at ldcalumni.net and hoping to see you soon over there. Thank you.